In this video, we will cover the next mechanism of the control structure, that is nothing but the switch statement. Switch statement is nothing but a multi-way decision making statement. What does it basically means to us? It is a multi-way decision making statement. Why? Because if we use if, else or again if statements to choose one of the many alternatives, but as the number of alternatives increases, the complexity of a program increases, and thus to avoid such complexity, C has special mechanism known as a switch statement, that is nothing but the multi-way decision making statement. In this, a case expression, what does it base? A case expression can be repeatedly used in a switch statement. That is, it allows several alternate courses of actions and choose one to be executed at a run time. Means, for example, what does this actually means? For example, you have to print some value like demo. When number is 1, you have to print demo. Number is 2, you have to print demo. When number is 3, you have to print demo. Number is 4, you have to print demo. Then for such combined mechanism, multi-statements, you have to print one value. Then in such cases, which is applicable in a better way. Next, when you have to take one value from a user, like 0 to 9 number, and print the spelling of them according to their number. For example, if 0 is there, you have to print spelling like 0. 1 is there, you have to print 1. So on up till 9, you have to print the spelling of 9. Means depending on the number coming from the user, you have to change your value. For that cases, which is a better mechanism for handling such situation. Like a case, there is a break statement. Okay. Break is a part of a switch case, and the use of a break statement in every case is used to quit the switch statement after a particular case is matched. Thus only one case gets executed. If the break statement is not used, then all the statements following the match case will be executed. Thus break statement is compulsory for the proper execution of the switch statement. Means, for example, you are taking case and you have to specify the condition after the case statement which will be matched with the switch. Means, for example, you have to apply the switch line and you have to pass the value. If you are accepting a number from a user that is stored in a number, then in such a case, you have to take a cases like the case space separated one variable or one value, that is for example 0, and if your number matched with this 0, means your user enter number is 0, then the condition will be executed like printf 0. Then you have to print only one number. Then in that case, to avoid the latter statements to be executing, you have to use the break statement. Okay, semicolon. And in such cases, you can write another cases also, and there is a default case at the end, and you can give the message to that case and you have to break also. Then you can complete the switch loop. So this is a small demo how to use the switch statement. Now we will take syntax and then take one program to demonstrate the switch mechanism. What is the syntax? We all know that syntax having the backbone in every language. So what is the syntax? You have to write the keyword like switch. Then you have to provide the expression here. Then you have to write the keyword like case. Be alert while writing the spellings of these, like case having the CAC, break having the BREAK. So case, then you have to specify the value here. Okay. Suppose it is a value 1. Then the statement matching this value will be executed, and then you have to specify the break condition, and so on. You can write the different cases, and then you have to write at the last default. Then default statement will be there, and then break will be there, and you have to complete the switch case. If you have to write some conclusion part apart from this switch case, then you can write the remaining statements also here. So this is all about the switch mechanism. Now we will take one program and try to solve it using the mechanism of a switch. For example, write a program in C to accept month, number and display the season. Means from user you have to take a month number, that is the January, February, March, having the numbers 1, 2, 3, and then accordingly you have to print the season. Means for example, summer, autumn, winter, these are the different seasons in different months. So how to solve this program? For that we will write the mechanism, and that is, you have to start with the hash include, that is the hash include stdio dot h void main. In the main section you have to take a one from month from user, and it is in the number format, so it is a integer type month. You have to accept it from the user from the mechanism, that is the printf, and you have to specify like enter the month, number. Okay, then you can accept it through the scanf mechanism, that is the %d ampersand 1. The task up till now is finished till accepting the number. Now you have to pass this to the switch case to check the season of this month. For that you have to use the switch statement, that is the switch you have to pass your variable, and that is switch month. Now, what you have to do, if there is a month from 1 to 3, means January, February, March, the summer is around. If 4, 5, 6 means April, May, June is there, spring is around. If July, August, September is there, autumn is there, and October, November, December, winter is there. For this particular case, we will match the conditions like, continuing with this, there is, for example, first case, that is a 1. When you have to write same statement for multiple cases, don't use a break statement, only continue it like, if case is 1, case is 2 and case is 3, you have to specify the statement like printf summer. Okay, and then use the break, because all these 3 months come under the summer. Likewise, you can take the next month like case 4, case 5, case 6, and it will print the statement like spring season. Then you have to use the break statement. Then for next cases 7, 8, 9, you have to print like printf autumn. Okay, then compulsorily use the break, and at the last you have to take the months like 10, 11, okay, and 12. This is the colon, not a semicolon, and you have to print like printf. Okay, you have to print like printf winter and break the case. And at the last, you have to write the default. For that, we can write like default, and without specifying any statement, we can directly break. Now here we are completing the switch case, and here the main section. So this is the demonstration of how to use a switch case for solving any program. Thank you so much.